Guy in the back right with the beanie.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Gabler, Mike Gabler.
Oh, it's so cool. I love Survivor. I binged the season yesterday. I binged the whole thing.
One time, Mr. White was like, we're doing the ISAT assembly to like kick everyone off, and we want to find someone cool. I was thinking about Gabler. He lives in Meridian, and I was like, I love Survivor.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Mike Gabler.
We talked to the kids about how you've prepared for this all year, and this is your time to shine. And anytime we can bring in connections from outside to help illustrate those examples of real life, hopefully it ties over and helps them in their performance to show what they've learned throughout this year.
But think about maybe make friends with somebody 10 rows over, because everybody in this room is going to do some big things in this life.
I feel like he went through something like really hard, and like compared to like being on Survivor, I feel like ISATs isn't that hard, even though it's hard in the moment.
As I watched it in my time in school, I thought this is a perfect parallel to what we're doing here with kids. You know, they have the same social challenges. They have obstacles they gotta get through. They endure some things that are really, really difficult.
What we all learned from each other is priceless. We all made us better. There are people that need that money more, and I'm gonna donate the entire prize, the entire $1 million in my father's name, Robert Gabler, who's a Green Beret, to veterans in need.
So I figured I'd put my money where my mouth is and put that $1 million to some good use, and I'm proud to say that it's helping a lot of people. All of it was donated as of last December, and it's all out there working for veterans right now. I just wish you guys all the very best, and I just want you to know that if you want to do something out there, go do it. You can do it. You can work hard. It's not for free, but it's going to be hard. If you want it, go for it.
And so bringing him here is a great opportunity for kids to hear that message and you know, get inspired for a really difficult time when we take tests for a month.